Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel where I show you various tips and tricks in Microsoft Excel and Google Sheets. Today I am going to show you how to beautify an ordinary looking Excel data into an eye-catching one. So let's begin. Our report is in Google Sheets, which can be downloaded to Excel format by clicking on File, Download, then Microsoft Excel. Our report is downloaded into Excel now. Now I am in Excel format. As you can see, this is a dummy household budget data or expense data. It has 4 columns or fields called transaction date, category, expenses and month. If you look at the right side of this file, there is empty space and there are grid lines which don't look good here. So let us get rid of them first. To remove them, let's go to View and uncheck this box. Now the grid lines are gone and our interface looks clean. If you observe our data, the first line looks different from the rest of the data. That is because the first line is header. In Excel or in any spreadsheets for that matter, it's a good practice to format the header differently than rest of your data. So let us try to do that. Okay, for that I'll click on the very first cell, that is cell A1, and hold Ctrl and Shift keys and press right arrow key. That will select my entire header. Format it as bold now. Ctrl plus B is the shortcut. Okay, now our header is formatted. Now in this step, let us do something which transforms our data into a very attractive report. Go to Home, then click on Format as Table and choose any style you want. So my favorites are this one, Table Style 9 and Table Style 13. So I'll choose this one. Once you have clicked on any of the style, Excel tries to confirm couple of things. First, it is asking whether the data Excel has suggested is correct or not. It is showing A1 from range A1 to D286, which is correct in our case, and our data has header. So earlier we formatted our header as bold. That is why Excel is able to recognize that the first line is a header. That is the advantage of formatting the header differently than rest of the data. So let us just click OK or press enter. Now our data is converted into beautiful Excel table. In this blue interface Excel table, the header doesn't look good here because it is in black. So let us try to change it to white. Okay. So for that I'll select the header, go to Home and change the font color to white. Now this looks better. The
advantage of keeping this data in converting this data to a table is that if you go down and scroll down, your headers are visible here: transaction date, category, expenses, month. Now you can go one step ahead and change the theme of your workbook layout by clicking on Place Layout, Colors, and choose any of the theme you like. My favorites are blue and blue too. So let us choose blue. Okay, not much difference. Let us choose different one. Okay, let's go for blue too. Okay, so now it looks better. In next video, I'll show you how to beautify Google Spreadsheet range. Hope you enjoyed the video and learned something new. Keep learning, keep growing. If you have any question or suggestion or feedback, you can always comment. I'll try to clarify them. Until I see you in next video, bye.